Hello students, it is my another lecture of biology for class 10th. In our previous video, we start this chapter how do organisms reproduce and discuss the various types of asexual reproduction. Now in this video, we will discuss the new topic that is sexual reproduction. So let us start and try to know that how organisms reproduce through asexual reproduction. Okay, so basically, what is the sexual reproduction? It is basically it is the mode of multiplication. It is the mode of multiplication in which new organism are produced through the formation and fusion of different gametes. Basically, sexual reproduction involve two parents, means it is biparental. It is bi means two. Okay. Next, what are the basically features or specific feature of sexual reproduction? First is the first is it is biparental. Okay. Second, it involves meiosis. What is meiosis? Meiosis is basically a type of cell division. It is a cell division that takes place only in a reproductive organ. Takes place in a reproductive organ which resulted into 4 daughter cells by division of one cell. Produce 4 daughter cell, and the cells are haploid. Haploid means single set of chromosome. You will study about the meiosis in detail in higher classes. Okay. Next important term about the sexual reproduction is gamete. So the gametes are basically reproductive cells which are produced in reproductive organ. Okay. The next important next very important thing that gametes are different in male and female. Okay. The next important term about the sexual reproduction is fertilization. Fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization basically, okay, it is the formation and fusion of gametes. Okay. Next term is zygote. What is zygote? It is single celled diploid structure diploid structure which is formed after the fusion of gametes, formed by the fusion of gametes. Okay. Next important term, variation. What are the variation? Variation is basically is difference in individual, and by the sexual reproduction, a number of variation reproduction produce a number of variation in the population due to the combination of two different gametes of two different parent, due to combination of gamete. Okay, so these are the very important term about the sexual reproduction. Now let us start the study about the sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Okay, let us know about the sexual reproduction in flowering plant and how it takes place. Basically, a flower is the sex organ of flowering plant. Flower is the sex organ of flowering plant. Okay, and let us study or try to understand with a diagram, with the help of a diagram of a flower. Okay, it is a diagram of flower. uh, let us study its different part. This part is called pedicle, and above the pedicle some small leaf like structure are called sepals. Sorry, these are okay, these are sepals, and the colorful part is called petals, and uh, above the pedicle a wide structure is called thalamus, in the center an structure is called gynoecium. Basically it is a female part of the flower, and around this gynoecium these structure are called stamen or androecium. Androecium are male part of flower, male, and gynoecium are female part of flower. Okay, let us see the let us see this structure in detail. Suppose it is the diagram of gynoecium. The base is called thalamus, outer receptive part is called stigma, and the tube like structure is called style, and the wide part, lower wide part is called ovary. Inside the ovary ovules or carpels are present. Okay, ovule. uh, it is gynoecium, or also known as pistil. Pistil. Okay, it is female part of flower. And on the other hand, the androecium, that is male part, is called stamen. Stamen is just like this. The thread like part is called filament, and the lobe shaped structure are called anther. Inside the anther, the male gametes, which are also known as pollen grains, are produced. The internal structure of the anther is seems like this. It is one anther. It is first anther and it is second anther. They are connected with each other, and each anther have two theca. Inside these theca, pollen grains or male gametes are produced. Pollen grain. Okay. Next. So these are the, so in this next, what are the steps of sexual reproduction in flowering plant? Okay, basically sexual reproduction in flowering plant involve three steps. First is formation of gametes, that is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is formation of gametes. The male gametes are pollen grain. Pollen grain which are produced in stem or anther. Okay, and the female gametes are ovum or ovules, ovules, which are produced in ovary. Okay, by and these gametes are produced by meiotic cell division. Next, the second step is fusion of gametes. It involves the fusion of male and female gametes, that also known as syngamy. Gametes, male and female gametes. Okay, the third process is formation of zygote. Formation of zygote. Formation of zygote by the fusion of male and female gamete. The zygote is formed and it develop into embryo. Zygote, and further it develop into embryo. Okay, so it is now we are studying, we discuss the basic concept of sexual reproduction in flowering plant. In next video, we will discuss this sexual reproduction in detail. Okay, thank you.